We have come to know that two teams, Vipers and KCC, have competitive assignment, and under those circumstances we decided to give the chance to biggest number of under 20 that we have ever brought to the senior team in order for them to feel this atmosphere. I want to give credit to the team of Kitara Select team that fought gallantly, that due to our mistakes came to that lead of 2-0. We were coming, bouncing back from a point of domination, but in football it's not about what you create, it's about what you convert. We have given them those two chances, the only chances that they had during the entire match. They have scored. We have tried our best, and it has been a good lesson for the young boys.
I've enjoyed the experience playing against the national team. This has been my first experience at this level, and even the players, so we have really enjoyed the experience, and it's a very beautiful moment for us. Yeah, this game, I think it will add on confidence and exposure. They have really exposed, and they will be very confident, because playing against the national team, these national players, and winning against them, that gives them confidence.